ride with Minaj. Mashallah, check in with me. Pin to your job. Queen is the name. Raphaello did the chain. This is Monse. Patty plain Jane. Ride with me like this, but it gets worse. Not payback is a bad bitch, and baby, I'm the baddest. You fucking with a savage, can't have this.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. So I'm back with another wig review. This is like a pastel kind of blue. It's giving me like fairy tale storm vibes. It is so gorgeous. Putting on a comb in the back, so it has one comb in the back. I'm just gonna put that comb in. Now it has a comb on the side, so I'm gonna clip that comb in. The wig is on, so you guys know, of course, I do the baby hairs. I'm gonna just try to pull some baby hairs through. Some baby hairs on this side, some scissors, and just cut diagonally. So now, of course, to lay these baby hairs down, we're gonna use the black Got2b glue gel, and honey, I'm almost done with this. What I do when I lay my baby hairs is I lay the top down just like that, flat down my forehead like that. There's people that be wearing their baby hairs like this. This is not baby hairs. Do not put your baby hairs like this. This is a bang. This is a thin ass bang. Do not do this, okay? This is not baby hair. So what I do is I lay it flat down my forehead like that. It's easier, and you get the curve that you want. And then I'm gonna just swoop it up. Now I'm gonna take my scarf and just tie it down. Okay, now the baby hairs are slayed. Put that behind my ear. How the hair looks, guys. Oh my god. Listen, I'm loving the parting on this hair. You can see the hair look like it's growing from my scalp. Okay guys, so let's get into this wig. I know you're like, girl, what wig is this? The brand of this wig is Bobbi Boss. The style name of this wig is MLF192 Nuru. This color is called TT1B Gray. And of course, this is a synthetic wig unit. It doesn't say how many inches this wig is, but I'm gonna just show y'all guys how long this hair is. Look at this. This hair is up to here, but really its true length is probably up to here. So this hair is long. I would say this hair is about, let's give it like 22 inches. It's a very nice length, you know, it's not too long. So this wig is from Divatress. Make sure you check them out. You get 5 inches of parting, which I love so much because it looks so natural that way. There's a lot of synthetic wigs that give you limited amount of parting and it just doesn't look natural. But this has 5 inches of parting, guys. It is a curved part. So as you can see, you can wear it in the side part. You can also wear this hair in the middle part, but girl, side part, listen, that's where it belongs. This is the left side part. Be mindful of that. Curls are very pretty. Some synthetic wigs, they come curled, but the curls be like so tight and unnatural. This wig does not have that at all. These curls is like some nice flexi rock curls. You barely have to brush the wig out to make the curls look natural. All I had to do was just put my fingers through it and bam, the curls is shapop. So as far as the fitting for this wig, it fits very snug. Guys, earlier it has one comb in the back and 2 combs on the sides. It has a nice comfortable fit to it. I'm gonna show you guys the back of this wig. Let's just turn around. What I can say about this wig is when I first came out the packaging, this hair had a lot of flyaways. The only con with this wig is the flyaways. A way you can fix that, what I did, I just put some water and little strands of hairs will go away. The con is the shedding. This hair is very gorgeous, but it sheds, okay? It sheds. I get about like 5 strands of hair. It's not a lot of shedding. I'm not getting any tangling with this hair, which is a good thing. This hair does have movement. Oh, you know what? I think we need to do the shake test, honey. We need to do the shake test. We do the shake test. Yeah, we need to do the shake test.
So we gonna do it.
Shake test. Oh, shake test. Oh, 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 oh. Also, guys, if you purchase this wig, you can also get 10% of your purchase if you're a new customer. So basically, you make an account. You will use the code NEWDIVA10 at checkout, and you will get 10% off your purchase. And this wig retails for $36.99. So, girl, 10% off that. Listen, that's a bargain. And guys, as you can see, I'm doing a lot of color wig reviews. You know what? We ain't gonna keep it basic. I know y'all guys are scared of color, but honey girl, honey child, honey boo boo, honey bun. Oh, honey bun, that kind of sounds good right now. Honey child, listen, do not be scared of color. Do not be scared of change. This color is so pretty. And this little pastel platinum blue kind of, you know, shit thing going right there. It's just making this color pop even more. So, guys, let's talk about shipping. Shipping was very fast. I ordered my wig on the 15th and it came on the 17th. So, shipping is very fast. Customer service is the best, okay? They give you great communication about your order. If you have any questions or concerns, they are there to help you. So guys, definitely get this wig for all my melanin, dark skin, brown skin, caramel, sweet goddess, honey sugar brunch looking girls. Did I just say honey sugar brunch? What the hell is that? My color. This color is so pretty and it will look very beautiful against your skin tone. As you can see, I'm looking popping in there. Looking cute, looking nice. So guys, I want y'all to comment, what kind of tea am I giving y'all? Am I giving y'all sexy granny tea? Am I giving y'all great goddess tea? Like, what kind of tea am I giving y'all? What kind of tea am I giving y'all?
So what kind of tea I'm giving y'all? I think I'm giving, you know, black, storm, snowstorm, gray, stormy, sexy looking Elsa, sexy looking black looking Elsa, Barbie, snow girl,
No, I don't even know, guys. Tell me what kind of tea I'm giving y'all. All right, comment down below because I want to hear it. For further ado, I will catch you guys in the next video. Love you guys so much and thank you for watching. Bye.